Hello, Tuesday.
Morning.
That don't be offended.
Mm-hmm.
If someone um like masturbating always, like maybe every day, is it wrong? Like maybe sometime you may do it 2 or 3 times in a day.
Every day they do am 2 to 3 times a day.
Yeah.
Is that how you masturbate?
I wanted to ask this question. I always connected with you. Always this from 12 to 4. Always with I've been forgetting. Like maybe sometime I will try to call. You won't pick. I know it wasn't your fault, but it's
Do
a
you
question.
masturbate 3 times every day?
Yeah. You know, as a single.
Do you work?
Eh?
Do you work?
If I work,
Mm.
of course,
They go office, abi they do business.
I'm handwork man. I have an handwork.
This your masturbation they interfere with your work.
I never see.
Like they make you no deliver work when you supposed to deliver. I'm like, you go
Like
just
maybe
excuse yourself, go do quick.
no.
Do you always do you always have
I
the
always,
urge to one
I
day?
always, I always inactive. Like that is for my shop. People do call me action boy based on they don't know my name, but based on the way I work. I always inactive. Like I don't know.
So most times that you masturbate now when you dey bath.
I may be in my room. I live in my room alone. Sometime in the bedroom.
Wetin dey trigger you to masturbate?
I've lived life. I've dated girls. I've decided not to have any girlfriend for now.
That one different. People dey wey dem dey celebrate, they don't masturbate. So wetin dey make you masturbate?
I
Wetin
really
dey
don't
trigger am? Shey na something wey you see? Maybe you see
like.
something
I just feel like.
and you see yourself wanting to be all by yourself every time. So because you no go fit do am for in front of people.
No, it's impossible. All by myself. Whenever I'm alone, maybe I feel lonely. Oh, I'm in my room now. I feel lonely. Maybe most time I always on it.
And you feel better when you're done.
I feel so relieved and I feel comfortable.
Do you feel guilty?
Of course.
Why?
I don't know.
You dey feel guilty. Why? Because if you say you dey feel guilty, why? Wetin make you dey feel guilty? Like, what have you done? Did you kill someone?
I didn't. I never hot fly chocolate stuff.
So why do you feel guilty?
I can't tell.
Does it have to do with religion?
No.
You feel like you go to hell?
Yeah.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3 times every other day, e don dey very soon e fit begin dey affect your productivity because you fit increase am. There's tendency you increase it to 4, 5, 6 times a day.
I've been doing this when I was a child, like when I was still in primary.
And that time when you did for primary school, you were not doing it 3 times a day now.
No, that was maybe just once in weeks. I may forget.
We are saying but now you see what I tell you, the frequency don't increase. So you are doing 3 times and you do 3 times every other day. Every day. Now make I tell you, say, if care is not taken, you go near addiction. That is, you go increase them to maybe 5 times, 6 times every other day. And you go see yourself, you go begin to affect how productive where you did for work. Like Sometimes when you get to deliver something, you say, make you excuse yourself, go toilet, you just want to go. And sometimes you day in the middle of meeting, or even they follow your people, they talk, or they chat with your friends, you see yourself go withdraw, go collect one for the road. And then before you know, you go begin, they isolate yourself from
like,
people.
Seriously, that is what I'm observing now.
You
like,
just want to be all by yourself, because you know if you do it for public, you they do it for inside house. So you see yourself withdrawing from people. You always want to be by yourself, so you go get chance to masturbate.
Like, is it something else on it or something?
You did enjoy them.
What enjoy?
When you don't finish, don't they make you feel all right?
Like, seriously, but the way I do, I'm
Ecstasy.
17, they make me like I'm scared. Like, I don't know what is going on anymore.
You need therapy. You need therapy. Not like 2-3 times is bad, but
even mostly sometimes maybe I have sex with a girl. We meet through having sex.
Twosome.
That's something is going to repeat.
Okay, you masturbate even during your twosome.
Yeah, after sex. Maybe after sex.
Okay, even after sex, you still masturbate, right?
Yeah.
That is a psychological thing for you.
You're right. I love you.
I love you too. But don't feel like a castaway, like Bontroville.
That makes me. I always worried about having a wife. Like, I try to have a wife. What to ended it maybe she disappointed me because I don't have a heart to halt a flight because of a full human. So maybe I don't know what is going on. Like, I always been disappointed, but I just decided to not have any friend again for now.
Okay, so deal with this first before you decide say you want marry person. So you don't go carry baggage dump for your head. You understand? Cut them down to once or twice a week instead of every day. Then gradually you cut them down to once, maybe a week. Now try to spend time with people, because now when you deal all by yourself, you do ginger to want to masturbate. You understand? Now only most times when you deal by yourself, now you see yourself want to always deal by yourself, you cut people off, because so that you go get chance to deal by yourself so you can masturbate. But when people dey around you, go feel say you dey see say you dey be like say you dey for cage, you know they fit do am. Although some people they fit do am even in the presence of people, those ones their own don't come out go another level. So make your own for reach that level where you go begin the masturbate in the presence of people. So deal with it first. Like, just be like habits where you want reduce.
Sometimes I calm myself down. Maybe if I feel like having somebody like someone like me in my home, that thing has like it. There's no more of that again. Like I will feel comfortable. There will be nothing like that if you have somebody with me.
Yeah, now because when you day all by yourself, you go get the thoughts to want to masturbate. So that's why I said, even if now pictures, erotic pictures that you watch, or you get some videos on your phone, erotic videos, erotic pictures, you may start with deleting those erotic videos, erotic pictures. If you get some porn sites where you don't already register, you go need to go deactivate those sites on your phone. Whether they do on your laptop or any of your devices, you go need to deactivate them. And spend time with people, because the more when you deal with people, you know go want to go on there masturbate. Now when you deal all by yourself,
why people love this station is that why people love this station is they voice out their problem and always been solved. But I believe mine now is solved.
Yours is solved now. Thank God.
Hello, sir.